Okay, let's start with the class of math, factors, and multiples class. Let's continue working on page 216. Yesterday we worked in the first part, but is missing the second part. Remember, a factors are two numbers that you can multiply to get a product that is a multiple. So the numbers that you multiply, for example, what is the answer of 5 times 7, class? 5 times 7.
35.
35, that's right. So 5 and 7, they are factors of 35. 35 is a multiple of 5 and 7. Okay, so let's work on the second part. Yesterday we worked on the first part in the chart. Now here we have share and show. We are going to multiply to list the next 5 multiples. Remember the multiples of 4, they are going to be when you multiply, for example, 1 times 4, then you multiply 2 times 4, 3 times 4 to get the multiples. So let's work on this by yourself. Multiples of 4. The next is going to be like 2 times 4. What is the answer of 2 times 4?
8.
8. So the multiple is 8. The factors are 2 and 4, but the multiple is 8. Excellent. Then which number is going to be?
12.
12. Why 12? Because you multiply 3 times 4, right? Excellent. Then
16.
16. Yes, 4 times 4 is 16. Then
20.
20. 5 times 4 is 20. And then
24. 24.
24. 6 times 4 is 24. Remember that multiples is like the table of 4. In this case, the table of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. They are multiples of 4. Multiples, they are the same number. In this case, you see multiples of 4 is the same number and more. So they are graded. Factors, they are the same number or less. So you see multiples of 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. We can continue. Now, here down, we're going to write if the number is the factor of 6, we are going to write yes or no. We are looking for factors, class. Factors of 6. Factors of 6. So we have number 1. Is it 3? Number 3, it's a factor of 6?
No.
No. Why not?
Why? 1 times 6 equals 6, no 3.
But we're looking no multiples. We're looking factors. Factors. Factors, for example, here. 1 times 4, here, they are factors. 1 and 4, they are factors. So is number 3 a factor of 6? Look carefully. Is this number 3 a factor of 6? Can you multiply 3 times another number to get 6?
Yeah.
Yeah. 3 times what?
2.
3 times 2, that's right. So 3 is a factor of 6. So let's write it down, yes. Why yes? 3 is a factor. Remember, a factor is if this number 3 can be multiplied by another number to get the multiple, to get 6. So yes, 3 times 2, it equals 6. So 3 is a factor of 6. Now 6, is 6 a factor of 6?
Yeah.
Yes, why?
Because it's 6 and the factor is 6.
Yes,
Factor of 6, 6.
Yes, factor 6 times 1, it's 6. So it's a factor, yes. The same number is all the times a factor of itself. 16, it's 16 a factor of 6?
Yes.
Yes. Which number you multiply to get 6? 16 times what? Which number?
4 times 4.
4 times 4, yes, it's 16, but Stian, we're looking factors. Be careful of this, class. 16, we're looking if 16 is a factor. A factor means that if this number multiplies another number to get 6. Can I multiply 16 by another number to get 6?
No.
No. No, right? You multiply 16 times 1 is 16, no 6. So we don't have any number, so 16 is not a factor. It's not a factor of 6. 6, it's a factor of 6, yes. 3 also, but 16, no. Now let's see if 18. Can you multiply 18 by one number to get 6?
Yeah.
Yes?
No.
No.
No, that's right, Marcelo. If you multiply 18 by another number, you get 6 as the answer. No, right?
No.
If you multiply 3 times 2, what is the answer of 3 times 2? Is 6. So yeah, that's why it's yes here, because 3 is a factor. 2 is a factor of 6 also. They are factors.
3, yes.
Factors. So 3 is yes because 3 and number 2, they are factors. They are factors of 6
We
because
put yes again.
I can multiply them, but in this case, I cannot multiply them. Now then we're going to write if the number it's a multiple, class. Look here, multiple of 6, right? Yes or no? They are the same numbers, 3, 6, 16, and 18, but now we're looking multiples. What is the contrary here? You see, 3 times 2. What is the answer of 3 times 2?
6.
Now, that is factors. 3 times 2, you get 6. But now, we're looking for multiples. I'm going to use this example. They are number 3, it's a factor, and number 2 is a factor of 6. 6, it's a multiple. Now, is number 3 a multiple of 6?
No.
No, that's right. It's no. If you look in the table of 6, do you have a number that is 3? No, right?
No.
No. Multiples of 6 are the table of 6, class. 6 times 1, 6 times 2.
Yes, 6.
6.
Oh, 6, yes. 6
Yes.
times 1 is
1
6.
times 1.
Mhm.
No, 1 times 6.
1 times 6 is 6. That's right. 16,
No.
it's multiple.
No, yes. No.
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 And 18?
No.
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 Yes.
No, yes. Yes.
Yes.
6 times 3 is 18.
6 times 3, that's right. So 18, it's a multiple of 6, class. It's a multiple. It's like when you have the multiples is like seeing the tables, and also it's like seeing the like a rule. You can have it here, for example, multiples of 6. So you have 6, then you have the other that is going to be 12. They are multiples of 6. Then you have 18, and you continue writing the multiples. So multiples of this number, class, they are the same number, in this case 6, and number that they are graded. 12 is greater than 6, 18 is great. So multiples is the table, class, like we say, the table of 6. Factors is different. Factors is when you look two numbers that you can multiply to get that number. Like here, 3 times 2. So 3, it's a factor because I can multiply 3 times 2. But 16, it's not a factor because I cannot multiply 16 by another number to get 6. So it's not a factor. Questions, class, questions.
It's where Miss, sorry. Miss, we're going to copy in the notebook or in another page.
In another page also.
Okay.
The next page we're going to work, page 217.
Miss?
Rebecca?
Yes, I'm in my house, but I don't find my book of math.
You lost your book? Okay, okay, Rebecca, you can later watch a video and when you find the book, copy the answers, remember. Finish the copy?
Yeah.
You understand factors and multiples, these examples?
Yeah.
Why is yes, why is no? Yes?
Yeah. I have a question.
Tell me.
For what 16 is not yes, but we have 6.
This one in the factor of in a multiple. We have 16 in both.
Multiple.
In a multiple, here 16 is no?
Yes.
Why? You're asking me why is no here?
Why is no yes? But have 16 at the final. At the
Okay,
end.
16 is not a multiple of 6. Is 16 in the table of 6? No, right?
No,
No.
only by 2 times 6 equals 12, and 6 times 3 equals 18.
That's right, but 16, I don't have it in the table of 6, so
No.
that's why it's no. 18, yes, because it's 6 times 3 equal 18, so it's on the table of 3, so I can say that it's a multiple of 6, 18. Because I can multiply these two numbers, 6 times 3 to get 18. 6 and 3, they are factors of 6, and 18 is a multiple.
Okay, thank you.
Finish class, finish this part. Okay, let's go to the next page. On your own, try to do it by yourself, class. Is the number a multiple of 3, right? Yes or no? Next page, right? Yes or no? If you finish this part.
I have one question.
Mhm.
What you put it in the number 5? No.
Here, no?
Yes.
Okay, one more time. Here is no. I'm looking factors, Rebecca. Factor of 6. So 18, is it a factor of 6? No, because I cannot multiply 18 by any number to get 6. You cannot multiply 18 times 1 to get 6. It's incorrect, the multiplication. So that's why it's no. Here is no because I'm looking factors. But right now here in number 9, I wrote yes in number 9 because I'm looking multiples. It's different multiples of factors. Multiples, it's yes because I can say that 6 times 3, it's 18. So 18, it's a multiple of 6.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Now let's go to page 217. You are looking multiples, class. Remember, multiples is like this number that you find in the table of 3.
I think
It's number 4 a multiple of 3?
no.
No, that's right. You don't find number 4 in the table of 3. It's number 8 a multiple of 3?
Yeah, no.
Ooh. Can you multiply any number to get 8? No, right? And multiply 3 times any number to get 8? No. 24?
Yeah.
Yes. Which numbers do you multiply to get 24?
3 times 8.
3 times 8. So look here, I'm going to write here. 3 times 8 equal to 24. So you see, that's why it's yes here. 24, why yes? Because 3 and number 8, these two numbers, they are factors. Factors of 24. But what is 24? 24 is a multiple. It's a multiple. So you see, I'm looking for multiples. Multiples of 3. So yes, 24, it's a multiple of 3 because I can multiply 3 times 8 to get 24. 38. It's 38 a multiple of 3?
No.
No.
No, that's right. No. Perfect. Perfect. 8 is not a multiple. Why? Because I cannot multiply 3 times number to get 8 as multiple. You see? The two numbers that you multiply, in this case by 3, they must have this answer, 24. So that's why it's yes. Now, let's go to the second part. It says, list the next 9 multiples of each number. Find the common multiples. So let's go step by step. Multiples of 2. Multiples. What are multiples, class? Look here, multiple. So multiples of 2, we have 2, we have 4, we have 6. What else? Which multiples you know of 2?
8.
8 is the table of 2 here. Why you need to write it down. Then
10,
10,
12,
12,
14,
14,
18,
before
No.
18,
16,
16, then 18,
18, and 20.
and 20. Okay, actually, you see, it's the table of 2 here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here we have the multiples. Remember, the multiples is like the answer of the multiplication. It's on the table. Multiples of 8. So we have 8, we have 16, then
24,
24,
32,
32,
40,
40,
40 or 36.
36, 36, 44, 44,
It's 36 a multiple, class?
no, it's 40 and then
No.
48.
40, that's right. 40, 48. Remember, is the
48.
table of
66,
mhm,
sorry, 56,
mhm.
63, no, 63, and
63,
no,
64,
60,
mhm,
and then
72.
it's
72,
72,
and
80. That's right. You see, these are the multiples of 8. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. So you just write the multiples because it's asking you just multiples. You see, it's asking you multiples. That's why we write this. Then it says 8 times 4, 8 times 5, and you continue until you go to 8 times 10, 80. So you just write the answer of the table here. Now we need to write the common multiples. Common multiples are the numbers that you can find in both, in 2 and 8. So we're going to circle which numbers you have in 2 and multiples of 2 and also in 8.
16.
16, yes, I see here I 16 and also I see 16. Do we have another one?
No.
no,
No.
Yes, I see one more.
where,
No.
Let's see who find it out. There is one more.
14, no.
8.
8, that's right. You have it here, 8.
Why? Because 8 gets to 16. It's
Yes, 8. So the common multiples that we have is 8 and 16. They are the common multiples that you find it in both, in multiples of 2 and also in multiples of 8. Okay, Santiago Chavez, are you working? Mia Valentina. Finished. Andrea Núñez, Camila, Isabela, are you working? Mhm. Now, work in the second part here, what it says, find the unknown number. What is the multiple that is missing in 15 and number 16 here? Try to do it by yourself. These two exercises. Which number is missing? We have 12, 24, 36, then
2.
2? No.
No, wait. It's of the table of how, what was the table? I don't remember.
Table of
it was-
12.
No, wait. I don't remember.
Okay.
No, the table of 6. No.
No.
I'm getting.
You have 12. Then you have
23.
24, 36,
No. 43.
40. You are close. It's not 43, but it's 41.
44.
No, 44 is more.
46. 45.
46.
More.
41. 48.
48.
48. That's right. Why 48? You have 12, 24. So you have 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 12, 36. 36 plus 12, 48. This is the table of 12.
Like the hours of the day. 12, 24, 36, 48.
25, 50, 75, 100. What is the other one, class?
150.
125.
No, 125.
125. Lucia, that's right, 125. You are counting 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 25, 75. 100 plus 25 is 125. Yes. So they are multiples, class. Multiples of what? Multiples of 25. We're ready? Unknown number that it's considered as a multiple of 25. Yes?
Finish.
Finished? Can I change the slide?
Yeah.
Yes, Ian, you finished, Ian?
I finished.
Yes.
Me, it's so easy, the table 25.
The table 25, yes.
Yeah.
The table of 10 also.
And the 5? The table more easy is the 1, the 10, and the 5 is all that easy.
Easy.
And the 7.
Okay. Now let's go to the next slide. Let's go here. What we're going to do, well, we have just 3 minutes. Let's start with this part. Let's work on this today. Tell whether 20, look here, we're looking for 20 if a factor multiple of the number. Number 20, we are going to write, for example, number 10. It's a factor 10 of 20. Factor,
No.
Can you multiply 10 by another number to get 20?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's a factor.
10 times 20.
Okay. But
10
here,
times
okay.
20 is 20.
Okay, 10 is a factor of 20. That's right. But here, let's work on this. 10 is a factor of 20 because 10 times 2 is 20, right? But 20 is a factor of multiple of this number. Here, here it's 20, not 10. Let's see here. It's number 20, a factor of 10. Can I
No.
multiply 20 to get
No.
10?
No.
It's not a factor, but it's a multiplier.
It's a multiple. Why is a multiple?
Because 10 times 20
20
equal to 20.
10 times 2 is 20.
10 times 2, it's 20. Or what?
No.
10 times 20 is equal to 20.
Times 10.
Mhm.
10 is
Yes.
20.
That's right, excellent. It's a multiple.
No.
It's not a factor. Here we're
But
looking
it's a
at 20. 20 is not a factor because I cannot multiply 20 times any number to get 10, but it's a multiple because 10 times 2, it's 20. Now, it's 20 a factor of 20? This 20 is a factor of 20?
Yes.
Yes, it's a multiple of 20?
No. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
it's both. It's a factor and also a multiple. Factor and multiples. Now, it's number 20 a factor of 30?
No.
No, because I cannot multiply 20 by any number to get 30. Now, it's 20 a multiple of 30? Can I find in the table of 20 of 30 a multiple that it's 20, 30 times?
No, for
No, it's not a factor, not a multiple. So we're going to write neither. It's not a factor, it's not a multiple.
Finish.
Finished? Yes. Okay, I'm going to take the attendance before we go class. With this, we're going to finish today. Ana, Andrea, and Camila.
Present.
Ana, Camila, it's not here. Gabriela, Isabela, and Kiara.
Present.
Lucia, Mia, and Rebecca.
Present. Present.
present.
Rosa, Valerie, and Sian.
Present.
Okay, perfect. Alberto, Dani, and Fernando.
Present.
Present.
Hermes, Joshua, and Caleb.
Present.
Marcelo, Santiago Hernandez, and Santiago Chavez.
Present.
Present. Perfect. If you finish class tomorrow, we're going to continue with the second part of this page. So let's finish with this. Bye-bye. See you later.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.